Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I'll be taking out everything from the first drawer para makita natin kung ano yung quick update before I take a break because naubusan ako na. But for now, this is how this storage looks like, diba? More organized. I badly want to get this over and done with, so tuloy na natin. Now, we will go to this drawer. See, I can't even open it because it's so mahirap niyang buksan dahil sobrang dami niyang plastic. Alright, so the plastic of drawers so the drawer of plastics is out, and now let's put that there. Actually, nanood ako ng iba't ibang parang mga hack on how to store plastics, ganyan. And I think ang most feasible is either ipo-fold ko sila or parang gagawin ko yung parang tissue paper na you can, you know, get, ganyan-ganyan. So, kuha tayo ng box. See, I have so many milk boxes. So, I have to put a hole here. So let's try this over. What we do is they put it inside. Like if you pull, for example, you pull this plastic, I think lumabas. Wait lang, it's a fail. Supposed to go out too. You pull this plastic, see? Another one comes out. What do you need? Okay, wait lang. Bakit? Okay guys, so tapos na ang aking DIY na plastic dispenser. So ayan siya. Pero yung mga sandbag lang yung pwede dito. So, yung mga ibang plastics na nandito pa, ipo-fold ko na lang yan. I'm gonna fold them and put them somewhere. going to fix. Drawer 4 and drawer 5. And also this area and this counter. So let's do this. How many eco bags do you need? Drawer 4 is done and there's still more space. So, feeling ko may malalagay pa ako. Marami pang space dito sa side. And also here, pwede pa siyang i-compress kasi since puro eco bags lang naman to. But we're done with that. And itong mga to, itong mga plastic na to, lalagay ko na lang to doon sa aming pile of plastic for eco bricks. Tapos ito, yung mga brown bags, paper bags, that will be placed in a separate area. And then, ito, lalaban yan. Tote bag kasi yan. And this one, yung mga sando bags, ilalagay ko yan dun sa ginawa kong plastic dispenser yesterday. So, there. So, now, down to the last drawer. This drawer. Okay, feeling ko ito yung pinaka magulo, pinaka random yung laman. So, let's dive into this one. It's so noisy right now, as in may construction sa kapitbahay, so maingay. Nanonood si Art, so maingay. Now, but anyway, so today is the third day of our attempt to organize this. And actually, tapos ko na yung mga drawers. Let me show you. So, the first drawer, bala ko, dito ko lalagay lahat ng, you know, the things that I need for baking and mga extra tissue, ganyan. So, andyan sila. Drawer 2, ito medyo hindi pa ako 100% sure with this, pero dito ko na nilagay yung mga clean hand towels, ganyan, for kitchen. Tapos dito, so, mga random stuff, like tissue pa rin. And then, yung mga finold ko na plastic na malalaki. And then, dito rin yung box ng mga gamot. Ganyan. Tapos, rubber bands. Tapos, lahat ng mga ribbons, nilagay ko siya sa isang microwavable para mas maayos siya. And then, ito, ayan. As you can see, very organized na yung mga eco bags. Dito ko na rin nilagay yung mga straw kasi may space dito. Sayang naman. Anyway, so, the fifth drawer is a lot better than before. So, as you can see, marami pa siyang space. So, I'm still thinking kung ano pa yung mga pwede ilagay dito. Pero, siguro ito na lang din lalagyan ko ng mga batteries, yung mga ganon. Mga random stuff lang din. Pero, of course, it has to be organized. And then, so ito, yung mga ibang mga paper bags na hindi ko alam kung i-dispose ko na ba or itatago ko pa. And then, some eco bags na kailangan lang labahan. Tapos, yeah. And then, last night, I already started working on this. Ito yung sa pantry. Super ilaw. Okay. So, ito yung pantry namin. As you can see, magulo siya. Mas magulo to before, actually. Medyo naayos na yan ang lagay na yan. So far, our reorganization is doing really well. I'm happy with what I'm seeing, although we're not yet done, as in, sobrang dami ko pang i-reorganize. But, I'm happy with the progress. You know, what they say, a little progress is still progress. So, okay lang yun. Yeah, so I'll just update you guys later kung ano na yung maayos ko ulit. But I'm gonna start working on things. Hindi lang ako makapagsalita masyado kasi masyadong maingay yung construction. So, yeah, I'll just be back.